Hello MTV and welcome back to my crib. This is my second apartment review. This time it is December of 22222 and we've already been here for almost a year and a half. So, first apartment review was not long after I got in. So let's see what all has happened since. Yeah, because time goes by so fast. So you enter in through this here door and that takes me up here to the first. What am I saying? I don't know. This takes me up here to the bedroom. We got that there bed. We got that there poster. We got a bunch of stuff here. We got this. Like I say, we got a bunch of stuffs all around here. We got your typical bedroom stuffs as you do. Walking around, you see we got on this side. This here remote up here turns on these here lights. See a nice little light strip and whatnot. Yeah, I'm so quirky. Wow, me, my 2020s, my light strips. Whoa. Anyways, closet. Got them clothing items. We got the suits. We got everything's in here. So, moving on. We got this here a laundry room. As you can see, so we got stuff, laundry-wise stuff that is. Moving on, thermostat. This here is the bathroom. As you can see, we has all of the bathroom's items, as you do. We got the towels, we got everything in here. We got bathroom stuff, as you do. Moving on. Whoa. We got this here. We got the lights, the smoke detectors. We got a calendar, as you do. We have a door that takes me out to my here balcony that I never use. So let's have a little look-see. Whoa. I guess you can see we got his here bike. We got a lock on it. And yeah. There's neighbors stuff, I don't know. And as you can see, never use this thing, but you know what? I like it. Oh, this looks a terrible video, but it works. Here is my first floor. As you can tell, this is indeed a second floor apartment, but with 2 floors. Ha ha ha. And I just walk down here. Down to the first floor. You can enter in through this door. Whoa. And here we go, back up to the stairs. So, I'm now going to enter into the kitchen/living room area. Take a good look at what all there is. In fact, I'll even turn on lights. So, whoa, lights now. We got that there refrigerator. We got them cabinets, the stoves. Toasters, the microwaves, sinks, cup. We got a dishwasher I also never use. But you know what? It all works out. We have this nice here table, garbage can, stools, printer, the good old desk. Here is my old phone. So let's see here now. And here is the wall. We got the backpack. We got the couch. That was actually Mama's couch. That stain's still there. I don't know why Sprite does that. Anyways, we have blankets, other stuff, whatnots, as you do. And, just your typical college apartments tour. Yeah. Campy tour. Floor. We got even more stuff. We got stuff here. Here's my epic gaming setup, as well as a TV. Some books I should probably start reading. And here is, I guess, pantry, dress storage, whatever. So you can see we have stuff here. Here's this here shelf that I did myself. Stuff. The classic ramen wall. Whoa. Let's see, more food, cans, yada, yada, yada. Anyways, fellers, that there has been my 5-minute apartment tour for December of 2022. Whoa.